Hello YouTube, I'm going to make a little video here on a rare option on these Tercels, these second gens. These are 83 to 88 for the wagons and 83 to 86 for the two-door and four-door sedan slash hatches. Well, we didn't get sedans here, but you know. So this is a rare option that only the States got, and not many people know about it. So this car is equipped with the very rare factory cruise control. So this is an option that was only available starting in 1986. So all the early cars, it does not matter how fancy it was, how much money someone spent, it was not available. It's also not available on Japanese cars. I believe it was the US and maybe Canada only. No other market got this, only here. So the way to tell we have a factory system versus aftermarket is, first off, you have this big junction box over here. So you have the cable there that goes over to the carburetor, and then this one here, there's a loop-de-loop out of the firewall, comes up and goes in, and then this one here goes over to the cruise control servo. And if you look, there's a speed control actuator, ACE and C key, and this cable over here goes right out into that junction box. They also have a slightly different upper radiator hose, or upper radiator mount here. There's a little clip for that. And here's what it looks like. Here's what if I can get the door open. Here's what the controls look like on the inside of the car. You have a switch here to turn it on and off. You just press it once and it'll turn on. Press it again and it'll turn off. And you get adjustable intermittent wipers. And then this is set, and that's Tercel. So it has this extra little twisty switch in the end, like all the other 80s Toyotas have. So next I want to cover how the actual cruise control system operates. So first you need to be at a speed of 25 miles an hour or higher. This is obviously higher than 25 miles an hour. So to turn it on, you need to make sure that your foot's not on the brake and not on the clutch pedal. You're at a cruising speed of 25 or more. Then you simply put that switch on. Green light turns on and stays solid. That's a good start. Then you simply take this switch, twist it to set slash coast, and now you have cruise control. Once the cruise is set, if you want to increase the speed, twist it up. It'll increase the speed accordingly. If you want to slow down, you simply twist it down and it'll slow down. And that's how the cruise control works. So next I want to cover the built-in diagnostic mode. Now this is something that I've seen absolutely no one talk about, and I'm not really sure why, but this cruise control system is pretty sick because there's a diagnostic mode built in, so you don't need any scanners or anything. It just uses the indicator light. So basically what you do is you hold set, turn that on, you see it'll flash like that. That indicates it's in test mode. Now if you go up on this switch, you see it'll flash 3 times. That means it's good. If you go down, it should flash twice. That means it's good. And you can also check all the inhibit switches. So pull up on the parking brake, it'll turn off. Reset it, it'll turn back on. Brake pedal will turn off, it'll turn back on. The clutch pedal will turn off, it'll turn back on. That'll show that all the inhibit switches are working correctly. This is going to be a little trickier here for me to show. Put my seatbelt on. But we'll also check the speed sensor. But you need to be going over 20 miles an hour. Well, over 21 miles an hour. So gotta back out the driveway. Not getting anything. Watch the speedometer and the indicator light. We'll see. Should start flashing. There you go. That indicates that the speed sensor is operating correctly. Now the speed sensor in these cars is in the speedometer head, and only cruise control cars have them, and they're incredibly difficult to find. So that is the quick diagnostic mode of the factory cruise control system. hope this helps one of the like 5 people with factory cruise cars that, you know, is out there. But, you know, I figure there shouldn't be a secret, so as you can see, it's still flashing. As you can see, you know, that's how it works. Pretty simple, pretty easy to do. I hope this helps someone. So thanks for watching, and bye.